In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable the geolocation settings in the Google Chrome web browser. Whether you're looking to tighten security or allow certain sites to access your location, these settings give you control over who sees this information and when. First, let's begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. At this stage, you should be able to see the browser's interface with the address bar at the top. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the browser. You'll spot a vertical set of 3 dots. This is the menu that will lead you to the Chrome settings. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. Once you've clicked the menu, a drop-down list appears. Here, you want to select Settings. This action will take you to a new tab where all the settings of your browser are displayed. This area is a centralized location for configuring everything related to Chrome, so it's a very handy place to visit if you ever need to personalize your browsing experience further. Next, on the left-hand side, you'll see a menu panel. In this panel, there is an option labeled Privacy and Security. Click on it. This will present you with various settings that help you manage your data and privacy. It's significant because protecting your online presence starts right here. Within the Privacy and Security section, you'll find Site Settings. Clicking on this option will open up a new section. Here you can manage different permissions related to websites, such as pop-ups, notifications, and yes, location services. Now, let's move on to the Permissions section, which is crucial for today's task. Scroll down until you find it and click on Location. This is the specific part of the settings where you can control the geolocation permissions. Once you're in the location settings, you'll see 2 main options for managing location access. If you are looking to disable your location data entirely, you'll want to choose the setting that says Don't allow sites to see your location. Doing this will block all websites from accessing your location without explicit consent. On the other hand, if you wish to enable geolocation but still maintain some control, select the option that says Sites can ask for your location. By choosing this, you ensure that websites must request permission to access your location data each time. This way, you are notified and can make an informed decision for each specific instance. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Chrome's settings to either enable or disable geolocation tracking. Remember, it's always important to know who has access to your information. And by following these steps, you have an extra layer of control over your privacy online. Thanks for joining me today, and happy browsing.